The United Kingdom and the European Union have reached a new post-Brexit trade agreement for Northern Ireland. It came as UK Prime Minister Rishi Sunak met the European Commission President Ursula von der Leyen in Britain on Monday after long disputes between the two sides over the Northern Ireland Protocol.
The agreement, dubbed the Windsor Framework, was struck over the Northern Ireland Protocol, aiming to ease the trading issues created by the protocol.
I'm pleased to report that we have now made a decisive breakthrough. Together, we have changed the original protocol and are today announcing the new Windsor Framework.
He said the agreement delivers the smooth flow of trade within the UK, as goods destined for Northern Ireland will travel through a new green lane with a separate red lane for goods at risk of moving on into the EU. Sunak told reporters that in the green lane, burdensome customs bureaucracy will be scrapped, meaning food retailers such as supermarkets and restaurants as well as wholesalers will no longer need hundreds of certificates for every lorry. The two sides have also amended the legal text of the protocol to ensure the country can make critical value-added tax and excise changes from the whole of the UK.
But I know that many people in Northern Ireland are worried about being subject to changes in EU goods laws. To address that, today's agreement introduces a new Stormont break. If the break is pulled, the UK government will have a veto.
Noting that this year will mark the 25th anniversary of the Belfast Agreement, von der Leyen said the new Windsor Framework is here to benefit people in Northern Ireland and support all communities celebrating peace on the island of Ireland.
This new framework will allow us to begin a new chapter. It provides for long-lasting solutions that both of us are confident will work for all people and businesses in Northern Ireland. Solutions that respond directly to the concerns they have raised.